In a second phase, we will look at waste management options, different kinds of recovery systems, and also at conversion modules, meaning how to turn the polymers into actual products.
The data quality has to be controlled and documented together with the source of the data. The results of an LCA help the product designer to identify the most significant environmental improvement possibilities. The EcoBus project started when a customer had a need for a medium-sized bus. Full-sized buses often drive half empty, so the EcoBus was designed to carry about 40 passengers. The design emphasized minimization of resource and energy use during the whole life cycle of a bus. The results showed clearly that the use phase of a bus is the most important in terms of its environmental impact. Thus, weight reduction was chosen as the most important criteria for the EcoBus. By saving energy and raw materials, we can even reduce the production costs. Valmet applied the results of LCA when making design decisions, in which the environmental properties of the materials had to be considered in addition to price and physical properties. This is a panel from EcoBus. It is made of colored plastic, which is recyclable, lightweight and durable. A conventional metal panel requires painting and scratches more easily. So Valmet chose polycarbonate and ABS as their alternative materials for this side panel. How can we decide which one would have the least environmental impact, polycarbonate or ABS? Both materials have the same weight-durability relation and the same conversion and disposal methods. Thus, Valmet concentrated on the raw material usage and the impacts from production. Decision-making can be made easier by defining environmental impact classes and characterizing the effects of inputs and emissions on each impact class. Classification and characterization are based on environmental properties of the substances. To find which alternative to choose, we must give values describing the relative importance of each environmental impact class. There is no one right way to do this. Valuation is always partly subjective, and alternative methods may lead to different results. One should always use the same valuation method for all alternatives and document it carefully. Before applying the result, its reliability should be assessed. In Valmet, they learned that the LCA approach, applied with common sense, will help the design process considerably. However, the LCA methodology should be developed further and integrated into the normal product design process so that it can be more efficiently used by designers themselves. Life cycle assessment needs to be a continuing process. When one round is completed, the next one will be easier. It can be used to evaluate services and processes as well as products. Life cycle assessment is a tool to ensure that the decisions made lead to real improvements when considering the life cycle as a whole. LCA does not give all the answers, but helps us to find the right questions.